It's like a good sweet and tart combo. Definitely haven't had this before. I like it. Now where we left off on the live. The cake was still in the oven. Fresh from the oven. Yum. Okay. Plum cake.
It came out good.
Came out good? I like
it.
it.
Came out good. It's like tart. And like the cake part is not too sweet because the fruit part is the sweetest.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
I mean, there's not going to be much left on this plate. So I think we did good. You did good, Erica. You did good. Plum cake success.